If you're wondering how to offer discounts via proof pop-ups to increase sales and build trust with your visitors, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how using proof pop-ups can help you deliver discounts strategically while boosting conversions. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can get an extended free trial of this software with exclusive bonuses. Now, proof pop-ups are powerful tools that show real-time customer actions on your site, like recent purchases or signups, to build social proof and create urgency. When you combine this with offering discounts, it's a win-win for both you and your potential customers. By displaying proof pop-ups alongside discount offers, you tap into psychology by creating a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. This makes customers feel they need to act quickly to take advantage of an exclusive deal. Here's how you can offer discounts using proof pop-ups. First, set up a discount offer in your software. This can range from a percentage off to a fixed amount off a purchase. The key here is ensuring the offer is relevant and clear. Once that's in place, you can trigger proof pop-ups based on certain customer actions, like someone adding an item to their cart or spending a certain amount of time on your site. These pop-ups will show others who've taken similar actions, such as John just bought the same product or Lisa saved 10% on her order. When a discount is combined with these real-time proof notifications, customers are more likely to proceed with the purchase because they feel a stronger sense of trust and urgency. Think about it. If they see that others are taking advantage of the discount, they're more likely to think, I don't want to miss out. That's exactly the mindset you want to create. Plus, you're offering the right discount at the right time, without overdoing it. One important thing to note is making sure your proof pop-ups aren't too intrusive. If they disrupt the user experience or become overwhelming, they could actually harm your conversion rate. Keep your pop-ups clean and concise, focusing on value rather than being pushy. A small discount like 10% or 15%, combined with proof of others buying or saving, is often enough to close the deal. What you also want to remember is timing. Pop-ups shouldn't appear right when someone lands on your page. Instead, use exit intent triggers or time-based triggers. These are the moments when a visitor is most likely to leave the page, and showing a pop-up with a discount offer can nudge them back into action before they abandon their cart or leave without converting. To get the most out of proof pop-ups, always A/B test. Test different discount amounts, different proof messages, and different pop-up designs. You'll find that certain combinations work better than others, depending on your audience and products. This is where digital marketing know-how comes into play, understanding your customers and continually optimizing. Now, if you're looking to try out this software, you're in luck. You can get started for free using the first link below, and as a bonus, we've arranged an exclusive extended free trial. This means you can test out offering discounts via proof pop-ups without any commitment and see the results for yourself. To summarize, offering discounts via proof pop-ups is an excellent way to increase sales by using social proof, urgency, and timing. When done right, it'll improve conversions and help you build trust with your customers. Don't forget to grab your free trial using the link below and test out how proof pop-ups can work for your business today.